Hello, Glow Squad, and it's been a little quiet on my channel lately. And if you know me, then that means that I've been working on something special behind the scenes, something that's going to change the way we build income and freedom online in 2026. This is not a quick fix hustle, not another trend. It's a real system, one that gives you structure, clarity, and flexibility. Because freedom isn't about doing nothing, it's about building something that works for you, even when you're not working. Today is Saturday, November 1st, 2025, and I have so many things to share and talk about. And then just to mention, this was a heart tattoo and then another temporary tattoo because Halloween was yesterday. So here was my costume. I kind of just put on the tattoos, and that's how we rolled this year. But that's still coming off. So just in case anyone was wondering what is on my head and on my neck, that's what it is. I don't talk about this often, but my journey with online business started from necessity, not luxury. I'm 32 now, and I've been earning income online over 8 years. My firstborn son, who is now 5, was born with schizencephaly and then was diagnosed with autism at 4. And between going to different therapies, appointments, unique school schedules, doctor visits, all of that requires flexibility, and the traditional 9 to 5 model just didn't work for me. I need a business model that could work around my life and not against it. And when you're in a position where your family depends on your presence, you learn quickly that you don't need more hustle, you need a system. Over the years, I learned how to create digital systems that earn money even when I wasn't working. It didn't happen overnight, but step by step, I built something sustainable. And that's what I want to share with you in this video in the inside of my Freedom Framework series. Somewhere along the way, online business got noisy. Everyone's shouting about how to make 10K in a week, but no one's talking about longevity. And that's what this year taught me. Hustle culture will burn you out before you ever build real freedom. If you're constantly starting from scratch, constantly chasing new ideas, you'll never have time to build systems that last. The people who win in 2026 won't be the ones working harder, they'll be the ones building smarter. So, what's the Freedom Framework? It's my 4 part system for building sustainable income online, one that works even if you only have an hour a day. So the Freedom Framework: build, automate, scale, and sustain. So the first part, which is where you build, this is where you choose your lane. One profitable skill or offer. You don't need 10 things, just one that solves a problem for others. So, for example, digital products, coaching, templates, affiliate systems like System.io. I'll walk you through all of this in the 7-day series. Step 2 is to automate. Automation is where the magic happens. System.io becomes your digital assistant, your email funnels, your follow ups, your automation. You'll have it all in one place. Step 3 is to scale. And scaling isn't about ads or massive budgets, it's about data. You'll learn to track what works, double down, and grow smarter. And then the final step, which is 4, to sustain. The most underrated part is staying consistent. Once your system runs, your main job is to maintain, refine, and show up. Let me show you how this looks in real life. So here's one of my System.io setups. This single funnel brings in leads automatically, even while I'm cooking dinner or driving to a therapy appointment. When a new subscriber signs up through my email list, then they will automatically get tagged and then put into my system. And you can designate if you want to put people into certain campaigns or if you just want to tag it and then use it at a later date. But you can literally set up the complete workflow within System.io, so it's 100% automated. And that's leverage. Every funnel, every email, every automation that you create is like another team member, one that never sleeps. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, Jordan, I'm not techie or I don't have the time, and I get it. I was able to start with zero experience using System.io's automation to begin building funnels, and it's designed for beginners. It's easy, drag and drop. And remember, you just need 1 hour a day. That's it. 1 hour for your family's future. Let's talk about what this can really do. Just 10 recurring signups a year can turn into $1,000 a month in passive income. That's not fantasy, that's leverage. System.io gives 60% commissions, which means your setup today can keep paying you every single month. So let's just break down some quick math. Let's say 10 people sign up through your link at 170 a year. That's a little over 1,000 a year recurring. Now add 10 more the next month and keep compounding. So each month you have a goal of 10 signups. That would be adding an additional $1,000 every month of passive income. This is how you create freedom that scales with time, not effort. So here's what's happening next. Starting Monday, November 3rd, I'm walking you step by step through how to build your System.io business using my Freedom Framework. Each day focuses on one part of the system, so by the end of the week, you'll have everything in place to start earning online. If you're already on my email list, you're all set. If not, click the link below to join before Monday because you'll miss the bonuses once we start. Glow Squad, I've been where you are, feeling stuck, juggling responsibilities, wondering if you'll ever catch up. But what I've learned is that consistency builds confidence. You don't have to have it all figured out today. You just need to start. The systems I'm teaching you aren't about chasing trends, they're about building something that lets you breathe, something that gives you your time, your energy, and your peace back. So if you're ready, be sure to click the link below and join the 7-Day Freedom Framework Challenge that begins Monday, November 3rd. You must be on this list before Monday, November 3rd to be in the group for November. I won't be offering this challenge again until the 1st of December. So don't let another moment pass you by. Lock in now and join the email below. Give me 1 hour a day and I'll show you how to build an income that supports your life, not controls it. If you happen to watch this on or after November 3rd, no worries. I still share value throughout the month and you'll be all set for next month's challenge. Keep glowing and growing, Glow Squad. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed and have a great day.